To end the therapy, you can use the shortcut button on the top right corner of the screen. Alternatively, navigate to the Functions tab, press the End Therapy button, and confirm. Hang 1 liter of saline to the IV pole and connect arterial line from patient to saline bag. Set the value of the saline solution to return the blood. Then press Return Blood. The blood flow will be 50 milliliters per minute by default, but you can increase it if needed. When an adequate blood volume has been returned to the patient, view on the screen and check lines. Press Unload Disposables. After following all instructions to remove the set and solutions, press Unload, then Next to finish the treatment. To start a new therapy, press New Therapy and confirm. The Start screen pops up. Here, you can select treatment, history, date and time settings, or switch off. By pressing History, you can recover the last 10 patients' data with the dates and the names. If you select a treatment and press Next, you can view all the therapy parameters and total volumes exchanged on the report screen. You can also view the graphs, event log, and volumes calculations. If you press Cancel, you can select and view another patient's data. Coming back to the first screen, you can also adjust the date and the time if necessary. If you press Date and Time Settings and change one of these parameters, you need to press Confirm and Restart. You can also view the license information by pressing the information icon. To switch off OMNI+, use the switch off button on the user interface or press the green button at the back of the machine for 3 seconds.